Today we'll start with question number 4, number 3. Now in C4 number 3 it is given that we have to find the inverse of 2 minus 1 4, 4 0 2 3 minus 2 7. So first of all we will find the determinant, and on determining the determinant we see that determinant equal to minus 2. That means inverse is possible. Therefore we will write as we have done the earlier sums: 2 minus 1 4, 4 0 2 3 minus 2 7. After that, A, that is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Now first aim will be to what? Bring this one, make this one 1. That is A1 1. Last class I have told. First make A1 1 1. So here what we have done, this is 2, this one is 3. So R1 changes to R1 minus R2. So 2 minus 3 we are getting what? Minus 1. 1 minus 3. Same operation that is done in row 1 of this matrix. So we are getting here what? Minus 1. So we have to bring here 1s. As such, we are taking minus common from the first row of left hand side, minus common from first row of right hand side. And this minus is being cancelled. You are left with 1 minus 1 3. Remaining are as it is. Now second step is to what? Bring here this one. Second row first column, that is 1. Means this one. Second element of second row and first column, that should be 0. So we have to bring this one 0. So this is 4 and this one is 1. So here 4 minus 4 into 1, 4. 4 minus 4 will be 0. So R2 changes to R2 minus 4 R1. So R2, that is 4 minus 4 times of R1, that is 0. 4 minus 10. Same operation on the right hand side as it is. Next step is to bring this quantity 0. Here A31. This one you have to bring it 0. So for that R3 changes to R3 minus 3 times of R1. So here R3 minus 3 times of R1, you are getting what? 0 1 minus 2 is 3 0 minus 2. After that, see here. Next step will be to what? Bring A22, that is 1. We have to bring this one 1. Okay. So here it is 4. This one is 3. So 4 minus 3, that will be what? 1. Yes. So here we are doing R2 changes to R2 minus 3 times of R3. So you are getting 0, 1, minus 4. This side minus 5, 1, 2. Okay. Now we are getting 1, 0, 0. This is 1. Now the remaining part is that we have to make this one 0, this one 0, this one 1, whatever is there. So this one can be made 0 by what? R2, R3 changes to R3 minus R2, 1 minus 1, 0. So here row 2, R3 changes to R3 minus R2, R3 minus R2. So 0 minus 0, 0, 1 minus 1, 1, 1 minus 1, 0, minus 2 minus 1 plus 4, that is 2. Similarly on the right hand side, 3 minus 1 plus 5, 0 minus 1 minus 1, minus 2 minus 2, that is minus 4. Now you are getting 0 here also. Next, this is 0, 0, here we require 1. So here throughout this row you see both are 0. Here we can bring it 1 by taking 2 common from this row. See here, whenever throughout the row it is 0 and only one element is there, so we can from here we can take 2 common. This will be 0 0 1. So we have taken 2 common from the third row of the left hand side. So from the third row of left right hand side also we will take 2 common. From here also we have taken 2 common. This will become 4. This will become minus 1 by 2. This is minus 2. Now we can cancel this 2. 2 and 2 will cancel out. Next our target will be, we have got 1 0 0 1 also here. This is also 0. We can make this is also 1. Now we have to make this one 0. So here R2 changes to R2 plus 4 R3. See here, this one is minus 4, and this, if you will multiply the third row by 4 and add it, you will get 0 here. So R2 changes to R2 plus 4 R3. As such, you are getting 1 minus 1 3, 0 1 0 0 0 1. Next, we have to make this one this one 0. We require a 1 0 0. Now you see here, this is 3, this is 1. So R1 changes to R1 minus 3 times of R3. We can do it. Okay. So here, just have to rub. I'm rubbing this part. See here. So here, R3 changes to R3, R1 changes to, we have to make this one 0, R1 minus 3, R3. R1 minus 3, R3. So this is 1 minus 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. That is equal to A. Here it is R1 plus, this is what? R1 plus 3 R3. R1 minus 3 R3. So 1 and minus 3 into 4, 12, minus 13. So here you are getting minus 13. 0 minus minus plus 3 by 2. 3 by 2. Then this is 3 here. 1 minus minus plus 3 into 2, 6. This is 7. Remaining will be as it is 11 minus 1 minus 6. 11 minus 1 minus 6. 4 minus 1 by 2 minus 2. Okay. Now what we have to do? Now we have to bring here, we are getting everything here, we have to bring it 0. So just you can see R1 changes to R1 plus R2. So R1 changes to R1 plus R2. So this is 1, 0, 0, minus 1 plus 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. A. R1 changes to R1 plus R2. So this will be minus 2. 3 by 2 minus 1, that is 1 by 2. This is 1. Then 11 minus 1 minus 6. 4 minus 1 by 2 minus 2. Okay. So minus 2, 1 by 2, 1, 11 minus 1 minus 6, and 4 minus 1 by 2 minus 2. So this is our required, this is unit matrix you are getting. A into A inverse, that will give unit matrix. So this is our required A inverse. Alright. Okay. Next we will come to question number 5. Yes. 5 number 1. Okay. This part is over. Okay, from here we have done and then we have completed it here. So this is A inverse. Followed. Next. Question number 5, number 1. Matrix A that is given to be 2 minus 1 3, 2 minus 1 3, minus 5 3 1, minus 3 2 3. So when we will find the determinant, you have to check if the determinant is not equal to 0, then only we can find the matrix. So this is 2 into We will eliminate the row and column. This is 3, 1, 2, 3, minus, minus 1. Eliminate the first row and second column, minus 5, 1, minus 3, 3. Then third row, that is 3 into minus 5, 3, minus 3, 2. So this is 2. This is 9 minus 2, minus plus 1, minus 15 plus 3, plus 3 into minus 10 plus 9. So 2 into 7 plus 1 into minus 12 plus 3 into minus 1. So this is 14 minus 12 minus 3 equal to minus 1. Hence determinant is not equal to 0. So we can find the inverse. So this is A. We will write 2 minus 1 3 minus 5 3 1 minus 3 2 3 equal to A 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So here first of all we have to make this one 1. So for that we can write R1 changes to R1 plus R2. R1 changes to R1 plus R2. So R1 plus R2, that is what? Minus 1, R1 plus R2, R1 plus R3. Minus 2, 2 minus 3, that will be what? Minus 1. Minus 1 plus 2, that is what? 1. 3 plus 3, that is 6. Minus 5, 3, 1. Minus 3, 2, 3. Okay. From here also, R1 changes to R1 plus R3. This is 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Now, we can take minus common from here. Yes. So when we will take minus, so that this may become 1. So we are taking minus common. We are getting 1, minus 1, minus 6, minus 5, 3, 1, minus 3, 2, 3. From the first row, from this side also we will take minus common. You are getting 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. So what we have done here, first of all, see here, this is 2, so we have to bring this one 1. So R1 changes to R1 plus R3. So 2 plus minus 3, you will get minus 1, and after that we can take minus common. So we have got R1 plus R3, we are getting minus 1, 1, 6, this side 1 plus 0, 1, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1. Now as it is minus 1, so we are taking minus 1 common from the first row of left hand side. We have taken minus 1 common from the first row of the right hand side, so these two will become minus 1. So we can cancel these two. Okay. Now we have to bring this one 0. So this one can be made 0. See here, this is minus 5. We can multiply first row by 5. This will become plus 5. Plus 5 minus 5, this will be 0. So R2 changes to R2 plus 5R1. Okay. And in that step only, we can do, in one step only we can do both the operations. R2, R3, see here, this is minus 3, this is 1. So minus 3 plus 3. So we can also write R3 changes to R3 plus 3R1. So here we are doing two operations so that we can save time and space. Okay. Now see here. In previous sum we have done separately so that you can understand. Now we are addicted with this type of sum. That is why two transformation we are doing at once. So we will get 0 here as well as here. So this is 1 minus 1 minus 6. Okay, let me have space. One minus 1 minus 6. R2 plus 5R1, that will be 0. 3 minus 5 minus 2. Then 1 minus 1 plus 30 minus 29. Okay. This one R1, R3 plus 3R1, 0. 2 minus 3 minus 1. 3 minus 18, that will be minus 15, equal to A. And on the right hand side, first row is as it is 1, 0, minus 1. Okay. Second row is R2 plus 5R1. So this will be minus 5, 1, minus 5. Minus 5, 1, minus 5. R3 plus 3R1, so minus 3, 0, minus 2. Minus 3, 0 and 1 minus 3, minus 2. So you are getting 1 minus 1 minus 6, 0 minus 2 minus 29, 0 minus 1 15. Right hand side 1 minus 1, 0 minus 1 minus 5, 1 minus 5 minus 3, 0 minus 2. So what I have told that here we have taken minus 1, and to make say this one 0, R2 changes to R2 plus 5R1, this will be 0, and R3 changes to R3 plus 3R1. Two operations I am doing at once so that it may save time. Next. So target is fulfilled here, 1, 0, 0. Next target is to make this one 1, A2 to that should be 1. So this is minus 2. So minus 2 plus 3, that will be what? 1. So here what we are doing, R2 changes to R2 minus 3 R1, R3. So minus minus plus 3 it will be, just see here, 1 minus 1 minus 6. R2 minus 3 R3, this is 0. Minus 2 minus 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 plus 3, minus 2 plus 3, that will be what? 1. This is minus 29 minus 3 into minus 15, that will be plus 45. Minus 29 plus, you can check here, that is minus 29 minus 3 into minus 15. You can put the value, you will get, so minus 29 plus 45, we are getting 16. 0 minus 1 minus 15. A. On the right hand side, minus 1, 0, minus 1. R2 changes to R2 minus 3, R3. So minus 5 minus 1 plus 9. Minus 5 plus 9, 4. And this one is 1. Minus 3, rather, is 0. Minus 5 plus 6, that is 1. Okay. And this one is 1. R2 minus 3, R3. Okay. And this is minus 3, 0, minus 2. So row 2, that is 0 minus 1 minus 6, 0, 1, 16, 0 minus 1 minus 15. On the right hand side, minus 1, 0 minus 1, 4, 1, 1, and minus 3, 0, minus 2. Next, we can make this one 0. R3 changes to R3 plus R2. Yes. So R3 changes to R3 plus R2. 1 minus 1 minus 6, 0, 1, 16, 0, 1, 16, 0, 1, 16, 0, 1, 16, 0, 1, 16, 0, 1, 16, 0, 1, 16, 0, 1, 16, 0, 1, 16, 0, 1, 16, 0, 1, 16, 0, 1, 16, 0, 1, 16, 0, 1, 16, 0, 1, 16, 0, 1, 16, 0, 1, 16, 0, 1, 16, 0, 1, 16, 0, 1, 16, 0, 1, 16, 0, 1, 16, 0, 1, 16, 0, 1, 16, 0, 1, 16, 0, 1, 16, 0, 1, 16, 0, 1, 16, 0, 1, 16, 0, 1, 16, 0, 1, 16, 0, 1, 16, 0, 1, 16, 0, 1, 16, 0, 1, 16, 0, 1, 16, 0, 1, 16, 0, 1, 16, 0, 1, 16, 0, 1, 16, 0, 1, 16, 0, 1, 16, 0, 1, R3 plus R2. R3 plus R2, this will be 0. Minus 15 plus 16, this will be 1. This one is A, minus 1, 0, minus 1, 4, 1, 1. R3 changes to R3 plus R2. So this will be 1, 1. This is minus 1. Okay. Next that is, we can make this quantity 0. Okay. So see here, this can be made 0. R2 changes to 16 minus 16 times of R3. This will be 0 or not? So R2 changes to R2 minus 16 R3. 16 minus 16, this will be 0. Now this is minus 6. We will multiply this one by 6 and add it here. This will be also 0. So one more step we can take. R1 changes to R1 plus 6 R3. So we can make these two at once 0. See here it is 16. So multiply 16 here and minus it. This one is minus 6, multiply 6 here and then add it here. Okay. So you are getting here 1 minus 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay. And this side R1 plus 6 R3, that is 5, 6. R1 plus 6 R3, that is minus 7. Okay. R2 minus 16 R3, that is minus 12. 1 minus 16 R3 minus 15. 1 minus plus 16, 17. And this one is 1 minus 1. Okay. Now see here. So you are getting 5, 6 minus 7 minus 12 minus 15, 17, 1 minus 1, 1, 1 minus 1. Okay. Now only one thing we require, we have to convert this one to be 0. And this can be done. See here. This is minus 1 plus 1, this will be 0. Yes. So R1 changes to R1 plus R2. So this will be 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. This is A. Here it will be R1 plus R1 changes to R1 plus R2 minus 7. This is minus 7 minus 9. Then R1 plus R2 minus R1 plus R2. So R1 changes to R1 plus R2. This will be 5, where it is 5 minus 12, that is minus 7, 6 minus 15, that is minus 15, that is minus 9, minus 7 plus 17, that is plus 10. Then remaining minus 12, minus 12, minus 15, 17, 1, 1, minus 1. So this is the inverse of the matrix which you are getting. Okay. So here this is the inverse. So this is A inverse. Followed? Next, one more sum related to this, that is question number 5 number 2. 5 number 2, yes. Okay, 5 number 2 we will do now. Last sum it is. Here it is given 5 number 2. Matrix A, that is 1 2 minus 2 minus 1 3 0 0 minus 2 1. Okay. 1 2 minus 2 minus 1 3 0 0 minus 2 1. So here first of all you find the determinant, that is 1 3 0 minus 2 1, that is 3 0 minus 2 1 minus 2. This one is minus 1 0 0 1 minus, this is plus minus plus, as we have determined the determinant. Okay, follow. So here minus 2 into minus 1 3 0 minus 2. So here determinant is not equal to 0, so we can find the inverse. So same procedure we will do here. 1 2 minus 2 minus 1 3 0 0 minus 2 1. A, this is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Our first aim is to bring here 1. This is already 1. Next step is to bring here second row, first element, first column, that should be 0. This one. First part is over. Second part we have to find out this one. Okay. So R2 changes to R2 plus R1. 1 2 minus 2. This is 0 5 minus 2 0 minus 2 1. A 1 0 0 0. This is R2 changes to R2 plus R1. 1 1 0 0 0 1. So first part we are getting 1 minus 2 minus 2 0 5 minus 2 0 minus 2 1. On the right hand side 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 0 1. Next thing is to bring this one 1. Here we have to bring 1. So this is 5 and 2 into 2 to what? Minus 4. So 5 minus 4 you will get 1. So we can write R2 changes to R2 minus 2 R3. So 1 2 minus 2 0 5 minus 2. Okay, this will be 0 1 minus 2, and that is minus 4. This will be plus 2 R3. Okay, so minus 2 minus 2 into minus 2 minus 4. 5 minus 4, that is what? 1. Minus 2 plus 2, this is 0 0 minus 2 1. This is A. On the right hand side 1 0 0 R2 plus 2 R3 1 1 2 0 0 1. So we are getting 1 2 minus 2 0 1 0. Here 0 minus 2 1. On the right hand side 1 0 0 1 1 2 0 0 1. Okay. Now Again, we can make this one 0. Yes, R3 changes to R3 plus, this is minus 2 plus 2, this will be 0. So R3 changes to R3 plus 2 R2. R3 plus 2 R2. Okay, so this will be 1, 2, minus 2, 0, 1, 0, R3 plus 3, 2 R2. This will be 0, this will be 0, this is 1, this is A, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, and R3 changes to R3 plus 2 R2. So 0 plus 2, 2, this is 2, and this is 1 plus 4, 5. So on the left hand side 1, 2, minus 2, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, and right hand side 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 5. Now we have to make this one 0. Okay. So here, this can be minus 2, then multiply this 1 by 2 and add it here. R1 changes to R1 plus 2 R3. 1, 2, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. This will be R1 changes to R1 plus 2 R3. 1 plus 2 into 2, 4, 5, 4, this is 10. Remaining is as it is 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 5. Okay. Next what we have to do? We have to make this one 0. So R1 changes to R1 minus 2 R2. 2, this multiply this one by 2 and subtract it. So this will be 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. R1 minus 2 R2, this is 3. R1 is 4 minus 2, that is 2. 10 minus 2 into 2, that is 4. 10 minus 4, 6. This is 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 5. So 3, 2, 6, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 5. So this is 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. This is unit matrix I. This is A. So this will be A inverse. Okay. So here also same thing we have done here also. First we have find a determinant. After that, this is already 1. So we are converting this one 0. This is already 0. Then next time we will to find convert A to 2. That is 1. We are converting A to 1. Rest you can easily think and do it. So these are the 4 steps. First make A1 1 1. Then A2 1 0. Then A3 1 0. Then A2 2 1. Rest you will necessarily get. Okay. So we are completing this exercise.